Hey everyone, welcome to Abstract Boss. So, I'm still a little sick. So, unfortunately, it's not another Wine Wednesday. I'm so sad. But I do have, I do have some fun stuff for you today. I'm going to do another Geode. And I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. And I thought it'd be fun to do it on a piece of wood since I love doing it on wood. So I'm using a metallic gunmetal gray, and I went ahead and already pre-mixed that into my resin. And then I have a teal, it's a Bimini blue from Apple Barrel that I mixed in, and I also added some, there it is, confetti glitter. And you just stick it straight into the resin. It's not like paint, so sometimes you have to do a little bit more. You don't want to do, like the 1/10 rule. As far as I know, I haven't had any issues adding a lot. And I thought this would be fun to have some of that glitter come out through the blue. And then I'll show you guys my color shift purple that I got. That one is going to be really cool. Pour some into here. And then I have a metallic pearl white that I'm using right here. Okay, I think this glitter is going to match that one fairly well. I don't necessarily care about it matching the blue. You just want a glitter that matches your overall paint theme. If you wanted gold in here, I'm sure gold would look great. Silver, of course, is going to look great as well. So just do whatever you enjoy. It doesn't have to be the same color glitter though. And you just pour it straight in. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh yeah, that's gonna be really cool. All right, so let's get to pouring. Just like last time, I'm gonna go ahead and start in the middle and just keep pouring straight into each circle. And it's just gonna keep pushing those colors out every time. Now, the glitter that's mixed up in with this one, I don't know where it's gonna end up, which I think that's kind of what's so cool about this one. It's just gonna be all over the place and you can see how it's shining through. Oh, it's pretty. Just keep going. Looks like that white and the gunmetal already hid. They don't want to come out and play. And you can really change it up by tilting it around already. Just to help it move out a little bit. And then add some more. Now, it's very different painting on wood because the wood makes it very difficult. It absorbs very quickly. And so I want to move a lot quicker because of it. I like that blue glitter. That is pretty. Oh man, sorry I'm not high energy today. I'm still so sick. I'm getting better though. Woo, that was a lot. My bad. Uh-oh. Leaning too much this way. And you can help it move a certain way by tilting it, but I mean, that's up to you if you want to do that. I forgot to check and see if this was level, so that's my bad. I do want to finish this with the blue core, so I'm going to keep pouring all the rest of my colors until I run out. That way I could finish with that blue core. Now the reason I tilt is because I don't want it to just be in a circle. I want it to be elongated. So if you want it to just be in a circle, just keep pouring until it covers the whole canvas or wood or whatever the heck you're pouring on. Okay. And blue glitter! Changing this up a bit, making it a little crazy. I'm going to save just a little so I could help with the shape of things if need be. And tilt. I always try to tilt in a circle for the most part, so that way I don't get a bunch of linear mess. There we go. And bring it back over this way. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. Okay. So I'm going to leave that. I don't know if I want to cover the whole thing yet. We'll see. And then now you can do your touch-ups. So add a little bit more glitter. Oops. Wherever you feel needs to be. Like I'm going to go ahead and add some right out here to get that line back. The line of blue glitter. There we go. And let's see. Where else do I want to put this? Drag it throughout there. So now that you have your shape, you're just going to keep adding glitter or color, excuse me, or whatever else you need to be able to create your geode. You can add in some smashed rocks. I kind of like the glitter, how it ended up, the other glitter, how it just kind of ended up taking over every color that rolled over it. That's really freaking cool. I'm so sorry. Get some more purple in there. Some of that purple disappeared. I feel like a vampire right now. Like all this light is seriously killing my eyes. I just want to go back to bed. But I just want to paint. Oh, choices. All right, when you're done, take off your gloves and blow a torch. Watch out for the wood. I can still see bubbles on this though, and I know the wood is gonna create a lot of bubbles, so I'm definitely gonna have to come back with the blowtorch. There we go. And then when you're using things like the confetti glitter, you are gonna get texture on top. If you don't want that, then just wait for all of this to cure, and then you can do an extra layer. I forgot to tape it off too. So if you also don't want the bubbles, then just get a glove in about 30 minutes and come through and get those beads off too. You can always take a popsicle stick as well. Just kind of scrape it And if you forget to do that, go watch one of my other videos on how to remove those. It's really quite easy. It's just kind of time consuming. There we go. Oh, that's pretty down there. There we go. If you guys enjoyed this, definitely leave a comment below. I'd love to know. You guys were absolutely fantastic last time and told me you guys wanted more, so I did more. If you guys want more again, let me know. I'll figure out more ways to do some geodes, and we'll have a lot of fun with this. But in the meantime, I'm going to go drink some more vitamin C. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please, please, please share. I'm trying to hit more subscribers. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Friday.